What we are going to learn for today is noun with 에다가. 에다가 has two kind of function. First one is replacing 에. So totally same function with place noun with 에. And second one, meaning is in addition. Let's see some sentences. Okay, first one, replacing 에. Okay, for example, like this. 컵을 식탁 위에 두었어요. I put the cup on the table. But same 컵을 식탁 위에다가 두었어요. You can also write it down with 에다가 instead of 에. Meaning is not that different, but it's more empathizing. I put here, like this. So when you try to empathize where you put or what you put and where you want to get something, you can use 에다가 instead of 에. So first one is not that hard. And when you try to use as a 에 meaning, behind of this 에다가, you will use 놓다, put, 두다, both are same meaning. 넣다, put it in. 걸다, hang. Write it down, 쓰다, or 적다. 적다 is also write it down meaning. So it's totally different. Verbs will coming after 에다가. 에 is using with 7 verbs usually. 있다, 없다, 많다, 살다, 가다, 오다, 다니다. But this time you will use 에다가 놓다, 두다, 넣다, 걸다, 쓰다, 적다 kind of things. So basically you write it down or you put something or you hang something or put it in something. And second meaning, this one is in addition meaning. So additionally, you want to attach more information, you can add with 에다가 grammar. For example, 저는 한국어, Korean, 에다가 영어, English, 도 할 줄 알아요. I know how to do it, Korean, and plus even English. So you want to add, I can speak English too, this information. So you can connect to now two nouns, Korean and English. So you're piling the information. But here, for this noun with 에다가, and also you can use this way. verb or adjective with 는, 데다가. So if you want to use with noun, you can say with 에다가. But if you want to use with more details for verb or adjective, you can use with 는, 데다가. So, for instance, this sentence, if I change it with the verb, I can say this way. 저는 한국어를 You can use this verb 2 times. 할 줄 알다. 아는 데다가 영어도 할 줄 알아요. I know how to do Korean, and additionally, I know how to do English. Or other sentence, maybe? 어제 배가 고파서 라면에다가 떡볶이까지 먹었어요. Yesterday, because I was hungry, I ate ramen and even tteokbokki. So if you use this one as an additional meaning, adding meaning, you need to use like this. 에다가 after that 도. 에다가까지. So sentence patterns looks like this. something something 에다가 something something 도 or 까지 something something. Pew. Because you're adding some more information. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to push the button of like and subscribe, please.